I'm going to show you how you can cover these chairs, and then you can like spray paint them afterward if you want to, but I don't have the spray paint that I want to use quite yet, so that will come eventually in the next like whenever. But as of right now, I'm going to show you how you can make these cover-ups that are removable. You just pull them off like a pillowcase. They are kind of tight, and I'm using like this, like it's cotton, but it's also like a canvasy print fabric. I've had this in my stash forever. Got it from Walmart a long time ago. So I went ahead and I cut my pieces. I don't know the exact length, but I just did that, and I made them long. So when you fold it over, yeah. So what you're going to do is you are going to open it up. On the wrong side, you're going to go ahead and you're going to double fold this so the little wispy free edges don't pop through, and you're going to go ahead and you are just going to straight stitch this from right here. You can iron this flat if you want to. I'm not gonna. And then you do the exact same thing to the other side. So I'll meet you back here. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can like show you in a video of what to do. Make sure your tail is a little bit longer. I always forget to do that, and then I have to like, you know, re-needle it, and it's just like, it's a pain in the butt. Okay, so you go ahead and put your press foot down. Sometimes I forget to do that too. And then it's gonna get a little bit loud right now. Okay, and I do a back stitch because I don't want it to unravel. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side too. Just making sure I got it folded. Make sure your tail is under the presser foot because you don't want to have to like redo it again. And I do a back stitch at the beginning as well. And, okay, so now that you have that, go ahead and trim it off. Okay, so now you have your straight stitches on both sides. And I like to fold mine in halvesies like this, but we are not going to stitch it like this. We're just going to fold it in halvesies, and this is perfect for like when your iron comes in. My flat iron isn't on right now. I haven't plugged it in, but it's fine. I don't really need to. Just gonna like, it would be easier if you did have an iron for sure. Okay, so now you know where your halves is, and you're just gonna go ahead and take one side and you're gonna put it right here where your half is, and I just take a pen and stick it there. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side as well. And there we go. You got your little seat thingy. And it's gonna look something like that. So now what you do is, since you have both of your straight stitches that we've already finished off right here, you could do a zigzag stitch if you want to. I'm not gonna, because this is for me, but if I was like selling this, I totally would. But you're just going to go ahead and you're just going to straight stitch it all the way down. And I always lock my stitches. So, do a back stitch. And if you have any excess, go ahead and trim it off. I'm not going to do that because there's not much excess right there. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side, which is just straight stitch it. I do the back stitching also at the beginning and at the end because I don't want it to come undone. Now I'm going to move my sewing machine out of the way. Okay, now I'm going to take my pens out, and you have like this little, it's kind of like a pillowcase, and it's kind of a snug fit because the fabric is not stretchy like at all. And I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it right side out. And keep doing that. And if you need to, you can use like a pen, pencil, paintbrush, and to pop up them corners if you need to. I don't really need to. And you could iron flat if you wanted to. Now let's see if it fits. It should. I don't see why it wouldn't. And it is a snug fit because the fabric is very snug, but you just, come on, slide on. You can do it. Slide on. Don't make me look like a nut. There we go. Okay. And you've got your seat cushion. Now, if you want to, you can take this off and go ahead and hem this part, or you can just go ahead and pin it underneath it like this. But I'm not going to. I actually like the little extra that's got right there. I actually like that because, especially like when your doll is sitting, which I'm gonna maybe, and I'll show you what I mean. When she is sitting, you could like see like right there, you know. So you won't see the pink, and because if you don't leave that little lip, you may end up seeing pink for the color. I mean, like, I do plan on spray painting these eventually, but you can get these chairs at Dollar Tree, and that's how you can, you know, like add something to them, make them a little extra without actually having to glue them down. I'm not going to glue this down because, like I said, I can reuse these for different rooms. So yeah, you could do that. If you wanted to, if you want it to be soft, you could add a layer of fleece or felt or something to this. I'm not gonna. I like the way it is. It's already bulky enough. But yeah, that is what I did and what I come up with, and I actually like it. So thank you all so much for watching. Bye.